Oh, fine. I died today. How about you?
Me too. I got struck with a horn.
I got struck by lightning.
I got struck by an egg.
That's a horrible way to die.
Yes.
Very tragic and very eggy. Who knew you could die by a chicken?
I know.
So tragic.